some groceries. I think this should last me a few days. Hopefully. But I got some chicken. I've got some mixed nuts. A red onion. And then I have portobello mushrooms. And then over here I have some white eggs, brown rice, milk, eggs, oatmeal, chopped spinach, more oatmeal, and then I have some of these shells and noodles. I'm hungry. I'm gonna make myself a meal. Today I have something a little bit different for you. What I have here are a bunch of colored pencils, and I wanted to be a little bit creative today, a bit more creative than usual. I was sitting here and I seen all of my assortment of art supplies, from pens to markers to colored pencils to paints and everything else, and I wanted to try something that had a bit of color to it. I wanted to try something different, and so I grabbed my colored pencils. And the brand that I have are called the Sargent brand. It's kind of an off-brand of the popular Prismacolor and other colored pencils that are really expensive. I picked these up about a year and a half ago. I bought them over the summer, and I'd actually bought them at Walmart. They were on sale, and you get a whole box of them for about $2. And I think there was 24 colors in each box. But anyways, the drawing that I'm doing here, it's a really strange drawing. I'm not sure what it is, or what most of it even is at all. I mean, as I was drawing it, to me it looked like it was tunnels, or maybe some sort of caves or something, but I was just having fun with it. I just wanted to try something different, and that's what I ended up making. Some of it looks like it's tornadoes or hurricanes or something, and as I was drawing it, I thought, maybe I could add more color to it. Maybe I could use something other than just using a blue colored pencil. And so I looked over at my other pencils that were colored, and I thought, I don't know how it's going to look if I use a yellow colored pencil. Being that the paper that I'm drawing on is more of a cream, kind of a yellowish color. So I tried it, and I started coloring with it. And it eventually worked out how I wanted it to. And most of the time when I'm drawing, I really have no plan. I just kind of grab a medium, I grab a piece of paper, and I just started creating something. And in other news, I have rearranged my entire apartment. I will be showing everyone what that looks like and the whole arrangement. I actually have the other room where my bedroom is. I have my bedroom and my living room, and my living room is a combination of my bedroom and my art room. So now my bedroom is just mostly an empty room, and I have all the space in there to do whatever I want with it. I'll probably use that room for doing recordings of me sitting down and talking, or doing huge paintings or gigantic doodles. I think I want to try an oil painting or acrylic, although I'm best with watercolor. Maybe I could use some watercolor paints, or maybe some type of ink. With a dip pen or something, I could do a wash over my ink drawings. I think that would be interesting. Although I'd probably do better with watercolor for my drawings, but I'll try oil. I think I would do best with oil more so than acrylic. Acrylic dries too fast, and it's kind of hard to rework things, but with the oil paints, they take a long time to dry, which is going to be a bit of a problem if I'm using it in my sketchbook, unless I spray something over the paper to make it dry faster. But that would probably be the only option I have if I was to use oil paint. Well, I don't think oil paint would work in a sketchbook, actually. I think the paint would eat through the paper because of the oils and things that are in it. That's why you have to prime a canvas, so I think I'll have to use it on a big canvas. I actually do have a huge canvas that I need to do a painting on, but I want to get a lot better painting before I go painting on that because it's like a $70 canvas, and I don't usually spend that much on canvases. I try to buy them on clearance or on sale for really cheap. I get the good quality ones that are good brand, but I like to get them on clearance, being that I do more drawing than anything. But I'll try that out, and I'll show you what my apartment looks like soon. But thank you for watching, and you have a good day. See ya.